Hello everyone, welcome to Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create and use a ChatGPT project. So let's get started the video. First open ChatGPT and sign into your account. Now look at the left sidebar and click on project. Once the project window appears, click on new. Now enter a name for your project. For example, you can write content. You can also choose a project icon or color. Click here and choose an icon or color. Once you are done, click on create project. Your new project is now ready. After that, you can add project instructions. Now open your project and look for project settings. Now click on these three dots and select project settings. Here you can tell ChatGPT how you want it to help you inside the project. Click on instructions and write down what you want. Then click on save. These instructions can help ChatGPT understand your preference while you work inside the project. If you want, you can also add files to your project. Click on this, then add your photos and files from your computer. Once you are done, now click here. Now you can ask ChatGPT a question related to your project. Then click on the send prompt button. So that's how you can create separate projects for different goals. So there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.